guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very fun video for me. I recently purchased this palette from Winners. Lately Winners have been setting their game up when it comes to the makeup section. I found this makeup palette in the makeup section for just 10 bucks, guys. It's such a beautiful palette, but the thing about it is I have no idea which company this makeup palette is from. It says Color Story here, but I tried googling Color Story and nothing came up. I tried googling the name of the palette and nothing came up. Maybe if somebody knows which company has this palette, maybe you can let me know in the description box. But it's such a beautiful palette, guys, and for 10 bucks it's not bad. You get 12 eyeshadows, a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. Now I did not use the blush, bronzer, and highlighter for this look, although I should have. I actually forgot, but I created this beautiful look. I'm not sure what I'm going to title this look as yet but maybe I should title it the unicorn look, since it's, you know, the palette is a unicorn palette. So if you want to see how I created this fun, beautiful, gorgeous makeup look, then keep watching. Oh, one thing, guys, throughout this video my voice has been like going up and down. Sometimes I couldn't even speak. So please bear with me. I have a cold and it's just not leaving me. I've had this cold for like maybe 2 months. I don't know what's going on. It's just a cold I'm left with that's just sitting in my chest, and it sort of affects my voice sometimes. As you can hear it, this is not my regular voice, guys. It's sort of croaky. So just bear with me. So keep watching if you want to see this look. So to start off, I'm going to use my unicorn palette. I'm not too sure which company has this palette. So these are the colors in this palette. And right now there is a thin film over the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to have to remove this. Okay, guys, so this is what the palette looks like. And as you can tell, it is brand new and I'm sweating already. It's so hot. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and blend out this concealer that is starting to crease on my eyelids. So I'm basically going to wing this, guys. I have no idea how this eyeshadow is going to turn out. I have no idea what colors I'm going to use on my lid and my lower lash line. So in this palette, guys, you have 12 eyeshadows. So that's 6 on this side and 6 on this side. And up here you have a blush, and here's a bronzer, and here's a highlight. Now this highlight is really glittery, guys. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to use the highlight. So picking up this color right here, I'm going to use this color as the transition shade. I'm going to apply this all over my crease area, and I can tell already that this has no payoff onto my skin. The pigmentation of this color doesn't really show up that much, and there is a kickback, guys. So at this point, what I'm seeing here is this is looking so chalky. I'm just hoping that the rest of the colors actually show up on my eyelid. So next I'm going to go in with this color here, and it's sort of a deepish burgundy-ish plummy color. So I'm just going to apply this to the crease area as well, but just a little bit lower, not too high. And as you can see, this color is not blending out too well, so I'm just going to have to, you know, apply some pressure and blend this color out a little bit more. It is giving me a little bit of a trouble. So I'm just going to blend because it's not so pretty right now. I'm just going back in with my previous brush just to sort of blend the edges out and soften the edge a little bit more. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna attempt a cut crease, and for that I'm just gonna go in with my Sheer Cover Duo Concealer. As you can see, this side is my favorite color. It's just perfect, but I'm just gonna go in with the lighter shade to attempt to cut this crease. Let's just hope for the best. So here we go. I'm going to apply some here first. So I feel that I need a much smaller brush. Let me just go in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to create that line higher now. I'm just gonna have to go in a little bit later and just clean up this area here because it's obviously a mess. I obviously have never created these type of looks because it may seem easy for some while it's not that easy for others. So I guess I fall in the category of the others. So next I'm gonna go in with this color here, and this color has some sheen to it. It's like a frosted color, so I'm just gonna go in and apply that to the area that I just cut. So it seems like I might need a smaller brush. I'm just going to pick up some of that same green color and try to work close to my cut area. Okay guys, so how's this for my first legit cut crease makeup? So I'm just going to move on to the other eye now, and I'm just going to go through that one quickly, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay guys, so I'm all done with the green shade. So next I'm going to go in with this color right here, and it's more of a deeper burgundy, but not like the previous color I used. The previous color had more of a pink undertone to it. This one has more of a reddish undertone to it. So I'm just going to apply that to the outer crease area. Okay guys, so it's all blended, so now I'm just going to work on the other side. Okay, so now I just need to touch up with the previous brush. This brush has nothing on it. I'm just sort of using it to just blend out the edges and make it more soft so that we don't have any harshness. So next I'm just going to work on the lower lash line, and I do not know what colors to use. I think I'm just going to go in with this same color that has the red undertone to it. I'm just going to apply some of that to my lower lash line. I'm packing on the most color to the outer lash line. Next I'm going to pick up some of this same green color that has the sheen to it, and I'm just going to apply that to the inner corners now. Okay, so for now we are finished with the eyeshadows. I'm just going to go in and apply some eyeliner, and for that I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Matte-Matic eye pencil. This is just a black one. I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line. And I'm also going to line my lower lash line. So next I'm going to go in and line my upper eyelid, and here I'm just going to use my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and finish up the face, and next I'm just going to go in with my Hourglass bronzer, and this is in the Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Radiant Bronze Light. And this is what it looks like, guys. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, so it's going to give you that radiant glow, and that's what I'm trying to go for today. I want more of a radiant bronze look, not a matte flat bronze look. Here I'm just going to apply to the parameters of my face, and this is going to give me that sort of that luminous radiant bronze look instead of, you know, just being matte and flat. And some on my jawline, not too much. The bottom of my chin. Next I'm just going to go in with my Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm just going to pick up some of the bronzy color just to contour my nose. I don't want the contour of my nose to have any shimmer to it, so that's why I'm just going to go in with the matte one. And as usual, I'm just going to go in with my damp beauty sponge and blend this out a little bit. Okay, and next I'm going to go in with some blush, and the one here I'm using is by Sigma. It's the Creme de Couture. I hope I'm saying that right. So it's sort of a rosy-ish cherry apple. Well, the name of the blush is called Cherry Apple, so it's sort of a rosy pinky color, and I'm just going to apply some of that to my cheek with my blush brush. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora highlighting palette, and I'm just going to pick up some of this shade here, and it's called Spectra. It looks purple in the package, guys, but it has sort of a pinky-ish undertone to it. So I'm just going to go in with some of that and highlight the high points of my face. Okay guys, so I went in with some highlight on my nose area, and I do not like how the highlighter is looking on my nose area because of the contour too, but I'm just gonna go in with my Jcat You Glow Girl highlighter in Crystal Sand. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and highlight my nose area. Yep, much better than the pink one. So I'm still gonna go in with the Jcat highlighter in Crystal Sand, and I'm gonna apply some of this to my eyebrows and the inner corners of my eye. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and the one here I'm using is the CoverGirl Total Tease. So I'm just gonna quickly curl my eyelashes and apply the mascara. Okay guys, so mascara is done. I'm not gonna apply any falsies because I just suck at lashes, so this look would actually be a lot beautiful with lashes, but since I suck, I'm not gonna apply any. So next I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, and I'm just gonna set my eyebrows in place. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Metallic Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade So Jelly. Now this look would not be complete without this particular lipstick, guys. The way the eyes are, this lipstick is just perfect for this look. So first I'm just gonna line my lip with this MAC lip pencil, and this is in the shade Magenta. And why I said this lipstick is perfect for this lip look is because there is some shimmer or glitter in this lipstick, so it's just perfect, and it's also matte, and I really love this lipstick. So next I'm just gonna set this makeup, and for that I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus. So with that said guys, this is the final look. I hope you did enjoy seeing me create something different, something out of the box for myself. And this makeup palette really did sort of made me be a little bit more creative. I know there is a lot of YouTubers out there already who's way more creative, and you know, some of them on Instagram as well, so creative. So with that said guys, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. I will be forever grateful. I will appreciate it so much. And you can also check the description box for my Instagram link. And with that said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! So next I'm gonna go in with this. Oh my voice! So next, oh my god! What the hell? So next I'm gonna, oh my god, my voice! I have no voice now! So next, okay, here we go. Wow, that was a struggle.